Hella, the workshop's friend. Every day in your workshop, you overcome numerous challenges for your customers. Diagnosing faults, doing repairs, providing services for all vehicle brands. Unending complexity. Your goal? To get the car back on the road as soon as possible. As the workshop's friend, we stand beside you like a helping hand and support you along your way into the future of mobility. With our OE expertise in lighting and electronics, we are significantly shaping the automotive megatrends such as electrification and autonomous driving. Also, by enriching the repair process with state-of-the-art workshop equipment, we help to make your day-to-day business run faster and be more profitable. We assist you along the entire repair process. When the vehicle is checked in, our professional diagnostic units make it easy to identify the vehicle and its faults. If you need any additional help, our hotline, serviced by qualified experts, is there to guide you. With our professional data management, you rapidly identify the right spare parts. From lighting to electronics and electrics, right down to wipers or filters. Everything in our wide product portfolio is available from your dealer right away. You too can benefit from our OE expertise and high-quality products. So it won't be the parts that return, but the customer. And the next one is already waiting, thanks to our campaigns and sales support. What's more, with Hella's professional online training courses, you are always fit for the future. Together, we can quickly get today's and tomorrow's vehicles back on the road. That is what drives us. Hella, the workshop's friend. And this friendship will last forever.